Let's see how you can easily build a low-cost AI chatbot using the power of OpenAI, and that can simply work on the Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, and other channels too. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect the support channels right here. For example, you can easily connect your Facebook page right here. So you have to go to the click on this channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can easily connect your Facebook page by logging with Facebook. Choose your Facebook page and simply connect it. Likewise, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other channels too. So if you already have a WhatsApp business app phone number, then you can connect the same phone number right here as well. Likewise, for the SMS, you can connect a Twilio phone number, and for the TikTok, you can connect the specific business account as well. So for Twilio, there are some limitations. You can find it right here. And apart from that, you can actually connect other channels too. And if you're planning to use AI, and if you're planning to use the OpenAI, then you also need to go to the integrations over here. Make sure to connect the OpenAI ChatGPT API keys as well. So if you're wondering how, click on this learn more button over here. It will take you directly to the specific guide on how to connect the OpenAI API keys. So here you can simply click on this particular link right here, log in with your ChatGPT account. It will take you directly to the platform, OpenAI platform, where you can actually create the API keys right here. So you can create a new secret key and simply click on this connect button on our platform and enter the API keys and simply connect it. Alright, so once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations powered by OpenAI. And here, if you are planning to build a low-cost AI chatbot, then you need to focus on the model you are planning to use when you build the AI chatbot. So first of all, if you want to build an AI chatbot for your own business, you can simply go to the AI hub over here and create a new AI agent or AI chatbot for your own business. For example, let me use one existing about the accounting business. So let me open this one and see what we have right here. So here we have some information about the specific company. So it says you are a multilingual customer service assistant to this particular company. Detect customers language and respond politely and helpful in the same language. So if they send the message in English, it will respond in English. If they send a message in Spanish, it will send a response back in Spanish. Likewise, if they send a message in Chinese, it will simply handle that language as well. And here we have all the information about that specific company, introduction, the services they provide, and some pricing information as well. Apart from that, we have some frequently asked question and then other details as well. So likewise, you can actually create the knowledge base or system message prompt for your own business as well. And here, if you click on this option, here you have the option to select the specific model. So if you have connected other AI models like Google Gemini, XA, DeepSeek, those models will show up right here as well. But here, let's say we want to connect the OpenAI, so you will see only the OpenAI right here, and here you have the option to choose any sort of models as you like as well. So if you want to focus on a low cost AI chatbot, then the model you are planning to choose right here should be of less cost as well. So for that, here this is the pricing page for the OpenAI models right here. You can find the pricing for the input, output, and the cached input as well. For example, this is the latest model, but the cost is very high, as you can see here. But if you scroll down, you can see the cost reduced. For example, GPT 5.4 nano model cost, this is the input cost, output cost, and this is the 1.25 is the output cost, and the input is 0.20. All right, so that's the cost for the GPT 5.4 nano. And if you scroll down further, for example, GPT 5 nano, this is the cost. It's very less compared with the GPT 5.4 nano as well. So you can actually choose any sort of models right here and see how the performance or how the responses looks like. So if you are satisfied with the responses, then you can actually choose a very low cost model right here. For example, let's say you start with GPT 5 nano and see how the responses look like. So if you are actually satisfied with those responses, you can simply choose that model right here, which is the cost effective model right here. But if you're not satisfied with the GPT-5 nano responses, you can try using this model, GPT-5 mini, or you can even go directly to GPT 5.4 nano as well, which is cheaper compared with GPT 5 mini as well. So you can actually choose different models right here and see how the responses look like, and then decide as well. So let me go with GPT 5 nano and see how the responses looks like over here. So let me choose a GPT 5 nano. All right, so here GPT 5 nano, so it will always try to generate a response from the GPT 5 nano, Only if it fails, it will go to the other models, as you can see here. All right, so you can set the temperature, tokens, and other things as well, and click save. All right, so it has been saved right here. So let's make this as the default agent as well. All right, so if you want to collect specific customer details, you can scroll down right here and use AI tools and choose specific AI functions to collect specific customer details. So for example, in this AI agent, we have activated request accounting services. So you can actually go to the AI hub over here, AI tools, AI functions, and see what we have in the request accounting services right here as well. So here we actually triggering a specific flow right here, accounting lead generation. So what happens is that we will actually collect specific customer details through this specific flow. Otherwise, you can also set specific variables or fields to collect right here as well. For example, gym membership request. This is an AA function where we collect their name, phone number, primary fitness goal, and the workout plan as well. Those kind of things. All right. So that's how you can actually collect specific create AI functions over here and choose those AI functions within your specific AI chatbot or AI agent. And you can even upload specific files and use those files right here to provide more information for the AI chatbot or AI agents as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So here this can simply work on any of these connected channels, including Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels too. But let's test through the Facebook page right here. So the demo ChatGPT has the Facebook page connected over here. So let me go to the Facebook page right here, and here demo ChatGPT, and let me send a message over here. So here you can actually ask any sort of question and it will simply respond as well. For example, let me ask about the pricing. For example, let me ask about the basic bookkeeping pricing. How much is for the basic bookkeeping? All right, so let me send this and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here we are using GPT-5 nano model. So here if we go to the specific knowledge base, it says $299 a month. All right, so let's see what sort of response we are receiving. So it says the basic bookkeeping package starts at $299 a month. Monthly bookkeeping, bank credit reconciliation, monthly financial report, email support. Pricing may vary based on your transaction volume and business size. Would you like me to request more information about our accounting services? Simple as that. So it simply provides a decent response right here using GPT-5 Nano as well. But if you're not satisfied, you can actually try changing the model with the same prompt as well, and if not, you can actually try adjusting the prompt in such a way to generate the responses as you like as well. For example, this generated using GPT-5 Nano. So let me choose a GPT 5.4 Nano and see how the responses looks like. So now I have chosen GPT 5.0 Nano. So now if I go back to the same Facebook page and copy the same message and set it and see how the responses looks like when we choose the GPT 5.4 Nano. The previous response was generated using GPT 5 Nano. I think it looks the same as well. So here, simple as that. So the same question, would you like me to connect you with our team to discuss your specific needs? So it says simply ask about would you like to know about the specific services, but this model simply ask would you like us to connect with the team for more needs as well. All right, so that's how this response is generated. Likewise, if you ask any sort of questions, it will simply respond based on the information you have right here as well. And here, if a particular customer's intent is to talk with the human agent, it will transfer the chat to the human agents as well using this connect user to human. For example, if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happen. So this from the Facebook page, this is the account right there, chatting them. So here, this was the account I'm chatting on right here. So here you can check all these chats happen right here as well. So now it says bot is active as well. So now if I send a message over here asking about can I talk with the human agent, it will simply post the chatbot and transfer the chat to the human as well. For example, here in the inbox, you can filter conversation by human only, bot only. So if you untick, it will show the conversation from bot and the human as well. All right. So now let me send a message saying, can I talk with the human agent, please? All right. So I have sent the message. Let's see what happens. So here it says, of course, I'm connecting you with a human agent now. Someone from our team will with you soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. So here is the message we received, and as you can see here, bot active is gone. So now if you click on the human only folder, you see this particular chat is already moved right here as well. So from here, agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. Simple as that. And the customer will receive it right here as well. So here the customer is receiving the messages as well. All right. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build a low cost AI chatbot for your own business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.